times 2 equals
6, 12, 12!
Very good. 6 multiplied by 5 is
6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 30!
correct. 6 times 7 equals
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. 42!
very good. 6 times 9 equals
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54!
very
54!
good, Geraldine. And last, 6 times 10 equals
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 60!
good job.
When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Woohoo! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Patingin ang damit mo. Paano sa...
Hi, I'm Dindi. Starlight, star bright, make my
Wish. Make my wish tonight.
Bilisan mo bago totally bubukas na yung likod mo. Pakita mo yung likod mo. Oh, dapat matapos mo na yung shooting bago masira yung zipper.
Wala na.
Yun na.